My people for us now, good evening again, and welcome to our program. We say what they call UDUOTA, the heart of the matter. Anytime we say you see my face around this time, they say big matter. They will be say yes, we go talk. A very big matter. They will say that they draw for grant since we want to see this matter, and the children will be say you go born. All the children will take them one after the other. Will look after them. What will be the matter? Now you go ask me. Now be the matter when we say concern local governments, and the katakata will be say they are for those states. Local government and the katakata when we say they are for those states. So we go look at we put the when we say we know the head sharp for matter when we say concern law. When they talk to us, how they take stand for the law and everything. So we go know how we see the work out this matter. We get to people like I tell you now. We get my friend and brother here, Dr. Sonny Daudu. Welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
I greet you. Yeah, my brother Patrick Folorunsho, Awo Sagi, arrange away.
You arrange away.
I just say arrange away.
You don't sabi am now.
That's how I better come from me.
Thank you.
Welcome to the program. My name is Thomas Sado. Making I talk say I introduce everybody. I don't introduce myself. The matter don't dig ground for some time now. We don't see and say when the whole thing come out before nothing they happen. Before they hear say the Edo State government, he write letter or he tell the local government chairman through the Edo State deputy governor. After meeting say he want to see their financial records. Before nothing they happen, they come to say after about 2-3 days later, we don't hear say they suspend all of them. You understand? All the 18 local government area chairmen. And before nothing they happen again, now different matter now be say what they hear now. We no go agree, we go agree. And for nothing that happens on the pitch themselves, on the camp, and don't have with them. Because they wonder, say, which kind of thing be this? I want me to just take out from there, my brother. All this one bits I don't talk. When the matter comes to you, my brother, Patrick Folorunsho, Awo Sagi, how it is taken?
The thing they're very surprising in the sense that as the whole thing can't turn out to be, you're not supposed to.
You take out for the beginning now.
Okay.
It will be like you just look how it come be now.
Okay.
Waiting born and the rest.
Waiting born and be say, as governor right, he saying right go the House of Assembly. Say see these people weighing call, may they come declare or showing reports of their finances. You know, we don't first talk this thing the other day, and then the issue be say governor get right or he not get right.
Okay.
Ground of rights not be constitution no say make governor do that kind of thing, but in the when you talk of oversight function, when oversight, you know if you talk say because you don't get autonomy now, say Supreme Court don't validate that one, say make una dey una own. If governor dey on his own, why the first they impeach governor? So these are things we suppose they ask ourselves. He gets immunity. It can decide anything we want to do. But at the end of the day, if you overstep your boundaries, the house, the other arm go, vote you out as in by way of impeachment, abuse of office, all those things go come.
But this one we see the talk now. I said the other house,
yes,
that the House for Assembly.
Yes.
You understand? Or if it
Yes.
also say this one. But
Yes.
in this case now, like you talk, he write to the State of Assembly.
He write
the governor.
Before he tell them, he call them. You know the challenge we will get, the reality, it good as it happen though. It go test the law. Now the law now go come strengthen both, government arm, the local government and the state arm. It good as it happen. I see happy say it happen like that for one way, in the sense that say if as it happens so, when they don't interpret the law finish, now it go come be the ground where what they follow. If you look at it happen, some people don't talk say okay, why not call the Auditor General of the local government? Through the, the forfeit relate at that level. We don't know the whole story of how the matter starts. So we cannot jump into conclusion.
Okay, maybe my brother will know the story if you don't know the whole story.
The whole story as it started at that
time. One thing we know, whether we like him or not, we hear say the governor write letter to tell the House of Assembly, State of Assembly, say tell these people, say see this thing. They're not going to do. Now you suspend them, or they not agree to. Now you tell the house before not to happen, how they suspend them indefinitely, and the rest. Take out from there.
Okay. Me, I take out from the beginning.
Okay.
You see, when the new government, when they swear, the APC government, the whole meeting with the local government officials, that is the chairman of the local government. And for that meeting, they contacted them, say, money where they come local government, how do they take, they spend them? Mean they bring their book of account. Now, before they do that one, you know, say information, as government don't change hand, information the day. Government get information, say, see how the money they come out from local government, they go some private individual hand. So based on that information, to confirm whether they tell them now true, because say, okay, oh, may una bring una statement of account. May they really check whether as they take the money where they come local government, where so they work for local government, if they go some private individual hand, maybe we check them. Because they give them. The local government people say from the information say they go fit bring them within 24 hours. Now the deputy governor say no. 24 hours will be too late. It will be too fast. And they make it 48 hours to bring to see your statement account. That
48 hours.
48 hours, it pass. When it come pass, the House of Assembly come invite them.
On their own.
On their own. Say, see what they say.
I'm not agree for them because.
So wait, let me finish.
I hear say the state government.
Let me finish. You never reach there.
Okay.
Never reach there.
Okay.
And the second aspect be that one.
Okay, tell us the first aspect.
So look, the House of Assembly call invite them. Say, see what they say, we will not do. They no come do. 1 week come pass. The second week, that is even more than the 48 hours now. 9 state government come write to House of Assembly. Say, see what they say make these people do. So they no agree do. They don't call they do. They don't even write to EFCC too. Since they no one break them. Now the House of Assembly come look at. Because say, okay, this one, based on the local government law, this one appears to be subordination.
Okay, but before you go too far,
yes.
Why they go say may they bring all these people as come when it be say the Supreme Court don't talk am. In fact, when me carry them go court, carry the matter go court, don't talk am now say as it be, say these people get autonomy. They do on their own. You talk something about autonomy just now. They get freedom to they day for their own to do their own thing. Why it be say Mr. Governor go still ask them, may they bring this to when it be say yes, Supreme Court they already agree to people they get autonomy.
The autonomy where Supreme Court talk is not waiting the question now. They get autonomy.
Okay.
State also get autonomy. Not be state go court say, make they disband the EFCC, say why they ask them about their money. Say money where don't be seen and then don't get them. Why they that? But the court will say no. Supreme Court say no. The autonomy be no me say they no go fit ask you your money how you take spend that. Okay. If the court has said the Supreme Court say state your money, EFCC go fit ask you. How come we cannot now ask local government? That is not the autonomy. And secondly, is that the issue where they grant now, it never goes to Supreme Court. Section 7 of the Constitution and the local government law made by State House Assembly has not been tested in the Supreme Court by the Supreme Court. What went to the Supreme Court was the joint local government account with state, whether or not local government should operate the same account with local, whether state government should operate the same account with local government. And the court said no, you cannot, because in the distribution of the statutory allocation, now 3 tiers of government in the share and for federal, state, and local government.
Okay.
What that simply seems to mean is that all of them may they get their different account. May they know they join and say when the court say it could be state, local government joint account.
But money when they come for federal government, money will come for somebody. Now 3 of us they here now. Federal, state, local government. If they come from my brother Obedo Vensei at the federal government, in fact. They don't give you federal government too. You do your own. They don't give you states, don't give you your own. They give me my house, local government. Why you go come they ask me again? When we say we they independent, why you come they ask me? And they come to you, my brother.
Let me quickly clear that one. So that your guy will come take them from there. You know, when you look at the Constitution, the way it is now, that's why I say until they amend Section 7. Section 7 of the Constitution, as we speak, it was not before the Supreme Court. Though that section has not been struck down by the Supreme Court. It's still there operational. Okay. Until you amend that Section 7, then this argument will fall on another ground.
Okay.
Section 7 will say the control and management of local government, it did the hand of state through the House of Assembly. It still did the Constitution like that. Until that section is taken to the Supreme Court and interpreted, or the section itself is repealed or is amended, which will now remove local government from the control of state through the House of Assembly, then it remains so. That's why they tell you now, say that session never goes to Supreme Court for interpretation. Okay. If you say it goes for Supreme Court, the Supreme Court for interpreter. And the best way, sir, is to amend that session. Okay. To say local government are no longer under the control of state. It becomes clear statement. Okay. You know, where
so autonomy and control different.
It's different. Autonomy and control is different. Okay. The control, establishment, functions is still vested in the state through the House of Assembly. Okay. Now, may you see him before may I not talk, may you see the picture. Okay. Now, House of Assembly, state government, House of Rep and Senate, President, now 4 years. Why is local government 3 years? It's based on the state.
Some state be 2 years.
Good. It's based on the law made by State House of Assemblies. Otherwise, if the Constitution has said so, why are you discriminating between local government and federal and states and all of that? It's supposed to be 4 years. The Constitution has vested it in states. So some states that say 2 years. It means the control is still in states. Until that section is amended, the local government will now be at par. They will call it the same with federal, states, and local government.
Or they amend and saying that this number of years now it be. Good. They get the right to put on lower or
increase. Until that time, the local government as it stands today, even with the Supreme Court government where they refer to, is still under the control of the state government.
I want to come back to you because you remember you get one place when you talk just now, you say as it be, say the local governments they did the way it be, the House of Assembly, the State House of Assembly get the right to give the some kind of matter like that. You know, we talk something about say the state government, RCB, the state government.
When I say oversight functions.
Wait, say the state, wait now, the legislature, they get the right to talk to the state governor or that kind of thing for their own. If they get the right to talk to the state governor, which kind of right can't give them when we say they talk to the local government? And apart from that, why they don't leave the matter for the hand of the local government because they still get their own legislative arm for there. When they do their work, when we see they call the tafia put.
You know, the truth be say, like what my brother talked just now. You see, everything what would they do is based on law and the Constitution. Okay. The Constitution never give them that latitude to operate for that kind, realms. Whether it's a good thing to aspire something. The waiting they give them is that financial autonomy. Now be waiting Supreme Court. Now waiting you carry a good court. Now court they give you. Now Shomole matter that and I talk say Supreme Court not before that Christmas. Waiting you not apply for, they not go give you. So waiting they carry go. Now the money matter. Whether it's supposed to deal with states.
The Supreme Court can't also
yes, no, may they get their
financial autonomy. But the one with the state government they ask for.
Yes.
Bring your record, come.
Not
be finance, be that one.
No, not be that one.
Money
they don't say, they don't want...
What is the difference between finance and money?
Wait, you'll understand this thing.
Help me.
Wait me one make you understand, be say. The issue not be say, they want ask them how they take spender. They don't get information. Say something don't happen. Something they happen. Okay, you show us record. Make we see what you they do, whether not true. Say now so it they happen. It not me say the talk say you not get right, take spend money. If you talk say okay, this money, I carry on, I can't give this my brother based on say I be chairman. You use my office, take give him. Because at times government we say we release money to do this one. Now to give that explanation. They never hold you say you not get right, take spend them. You do you disburse money like this. That was the simple question. If you feel say waiting you know why you don't want to explain now? Not be your money now. It's public funds. Even governor himself, they feel call and say, why you spend this thing? That's why we they see litigation, EFCC petition back and forth after even some of them because of immunity. Now make them not even they file action against them where they do office. Local government chairmen not get that immunity. So these are some of the issues where it come up. So the idea of maybe the administration and the activities that runs the local government is vested on the states.
Help me with one thing. What will be the difference between financial autonomy and administrative autonomy?
Administrative autonomy, that means everything. Financial autonomy in that context is that the money is disbursed directly to you. But in terms of activities administratively, it still falls within the space of the state. Now state go still give you, state will sit down through the House of Assembly, make law tomorrow. Say now 3 years on a deal, I don't change them.
Somebody said the number one lawyer for this country, maybe the Attorney General and Minister for Justice.
Yes, now.
So we talk about
Lateef Fagbemi.
Lateef Fagbemi. So we say, because when the man put mouth for this thing, say this when they say they do so, you know water, because the Supreme Court already talks say yes, they're not supposed to do what they say they do so, and all of that. Are we saying the federal government make mistake when they choose somebody?
Well,
you don't know work.
You know, it work. Law not be like that.
So if
no, what they talk law not be so law be.
Help me.
Law be say if Lateef Fagbemi get position, that is a lawyer now. He must take position. Our own Attorney General Samson Osagi still get position.
Okay.
And it's subject to adjudication. Now waiting if you don't go court, that's why we would get lawyer for both sides. Lateef Fagbemi take one side. When they look and now see they look and so say they don't get financial autonomy. Waiting you can't they do for them. But on the other side, our own Samson Osagi say no, not be so. We still get control. So it's not the court now go can't decide whether waiting Lateef Fagbemi talk. Say he hold water. The other man to our own Samson Osagi, whether waiting talk now they go follow. Until that time, you know Lateef Fagbemi not get power. Say tell them waiting they want to know. Not be so the constitution be. That's the position.
Okay, over 12 billion naira now be say for time when be say nothing, and they talk say yes, say they lost for this local government chairman hand when they be say Waka and the rest. We can't wonder now how they get this figure. And the way when we say reach government, yes, they spend the money. When we say it's supposed to reach their hand, they don't calculate the money, not that kind of money now lost. How they get this figure? The state government, when we say they talk and say, now 12 billion naira, they don't lost through their hand.
You see, now I make I tell you say from the beginning that now information, now government acted on information, and they take acted on say each local government, for instance, now maybe that they bring out 10,000, for instance, from the money where it comes to their hand to Mr. A on monthly basis. It's easy to calculate. If they say local government A bring 10,000, local government bring 10,000, and we have 18 local government. It's easier for you to say 10,000 into 18.
How much it be?
Times the number of months where they don't disburse them. It's very easy. It's based on that government they talk to now, say hey, how many money they don't spend. It's the records are there. I
remember say the state government bring what they call it, they set up a panel, so they check the activities of these people.
Yes, they are.
But the panel never bring this thing come out.
No,
they never findings come out.
No, the findings are going on. The findings
they are still the panel is still the check.
It's still sitting. Yes, they are still sitting.
So
some of them
never come out. Some officers yes now jumping the gun and be this one. According to now when they go school, they never bring the panel one and give work. Some go check this. They never bring the results come out. Now don't come they announce the one when be na fees and be the writing.
No. Because the panel they have what they call terms of reference, what they want to do. That terms of reference has not been disturbed by the money. If at the end of the day, government say now we suspect it's about maybe 12 billion, and from the findings, if it big pass like that, if it be like that, if it small pass like that, is from that finding which follows investigation. Now go be waiting go come to the public to say, because now what they gather, now they do all those things. When they have finished thorough findings, all these chairmen now they are being invited. Now the current people whether they act now, they also tell them they bring the state of account. When they now bring it, they will calculate everything and say, oh, this maybe look, this local government A, it not really do anything. This local government D, it not do anything. Now C, D, E, or so too. So they will check and weigh. Then they check and weigh. And at the end of the day, those who don't do anything, they will have a way of coming back. But those who say they do anything, I know that some of them have been impeached. You can also challenge impeachment in court.
That's correct.
So it's not as if everything is over. If you are impeached based on gross misconduct, I say you overspend money or the money where you're supposed to use to develop local government, you give them for private people or give it to
the private pocket.
The private pocket. They will still check all those things. And if any law of the local government at the end of the day, if we say all those allegations, what did they say he do, he no do one, he can go and challenge it in court.
Okay. The 18 local government chairmen, they go court. after this whole matter, then go court. And court say they get the right to run the office. I mean, they go back to office and the rest. But they know, they hear some people, when they go court, before nothing they happen, some local government chairman, maybe unverified or so, some people will serve for newspapers too. When they go, the chairman, they drive, some people they drive them come out and that kind of thing. They don't let them enter their offices. And if you don't make mistake now, the last matter when we say they for court now, is make these people they go back to office. Why they don't allow them enter office?
Now, you see, you don't already get as a B. Basically, for me, I believe we should follow the rules of law. We should follow within court talk.
And the last one, I say, make them go back to office.
May they go back to office. Now, basically, if you look if you say make them go back to office, I agree, say, now so court talk. You know, say that matter too. Our own, some society don't still challenge jurisdiction of court and many other things. He also alleged in his, application. Say they are lawyer now. They pass the AG was somebody who was in his office before. Is the one that is acting as their lawyer. It's a funny practice. Such a person should withdraw himself, request himself.
No, but a lawyer,
and a lawyer, there are things that there are things we not they proper in law.
No, maybe now you go look at
not me. No. We have ethics where they guide our profession. There are things where you not go fit to do. Okay. Where you not go put hand. There are certain things that are ethical. They are still going to call him for some other issues within the profession. Where you go put hand. So if he is saying that. If you are saying they should go back, it'd be like, say, why would they get ex parte application most of the time? This me and my brother now. I don't want money. I want to go London. I don't get visa. And he no say me get visa. If I come out,
maybe no see money again.
I know if he hold me again. So he go wrong, go court, say court, I beg.
Don't let this man travel.
Don't let this man travel. But at times, they feel mislead court. Court not get the true facts or pay me can't go lie. If court can't allow me travel, the matter go don't die. If these people go back, they not go destroy record, they not go into some areas, go they clean up. Ideally, if you are being probed, if they check you,
but you suppose now what the person ask for, now they give her.
Yes, now what they ask for. Now it's still subject to interpretation, and I know you they go. Me know where you they go. And he says status quo. The status quo, you remember, he still get one who will get that time for our own MBA when they go court with former chairman, madam, when they go. Court say status quo remain. The other one say the status quo where they know now this one. The other one say now the other one. So it's subject to further litigation.
So which means even the judges said that they confuse us the more.
They not confuse you.
If we say status quo, let's go back to status quo.
And then we tell you
because they hear many status quo.
You say
ante balloon. I don't go school. Status balloon ante. So I call the one association. They say status quo. Go back to where on our day before this matter come court.
That is what they are saying. It will tell you before we reach court, it get where they did. Before they remove them, that's somewhere they did. After they remove them, that's somewhere they still did. So when they do office and when they remove them, they never go court. So which one is it they obey? So lawyers are smart people. They will always go the way they want. And they know, say, if these people go back to office, they will definitely find a way to ensure, say, they not get those records again. And when record don't they destroyed, if you get evidence still, and I think that is basically what is playing out now.
Okay.
So, going back to maintain status quo, the state say no, we not go allow them. Because the status quo we court say make they obey. Now the one will be say we don't remove now. They say no, now the one we court say we will be there. So it's up, now you still go back to court to make court decide which status quo if they talk. Okay. So it's subject to court adjudication. Now it will be.
Before we know what in be said they happen now, would they say I'm saying we are talking for the beginning of the when we start this program today. Many things now don't they happen. Many local government chairmen before know it happen. They impeach them, they impeach them. People come they wonder now, what can they happen when it be seen now they come they impeach them. This will not be a typical example of say Sugu they for top of roof for night, the next morning baby die. People talk and say, it be like saying that some people and they push these people say, go do what thing, be say you they do, and that kind of thing. They pass back, come out, They use that, they do it. The hand of Jacob and the body of Esau, you know, so this one, this one, and the rest. So why come at this time? Now, say almost all the local government chairmen, they consider all the houses of legislative arm, and now they consider and say, and now all of the country agree, so they could impeach all of these local government chairmen almost on a daily basis.
Well, may I tell you one thing?
Because people they talk about talk and state, they talk and say yes, now state government, and they sponsor them to do that. What do they do?
Well, I will not. Law does not accommodate speculations.
That's correct.
And speculation, however strong it is, never will represent the position of law.
But you started on the ground of speculation. I want to say CRCB when they write letters.
No, I say information. That one is information. It's not speculation.
Okay,
information is different from speculation. Okay. Information, say for instance now, if, for instance, may I tell you one thing?
Tell me.
If Accountant General now for local government, he call you, show you, say, see money where we are the disbursed from this local government from so place to this. That is not speculation. I have given you a tip. I have given you information.
Okay.
Now it be that one. Now let me look at the issue of the impeachment. The impeachment. Now fear councillors get. Maybe they never even impeach so many of them, because if you see the allegations, sir, yourself you will say it's overdue for some of them. I cannot say all to have been impeached. But let me also say that the impeachment, it does not start from today. If you look at a local government, now there are 2 times that they impeach the local government chairman. And why they impeach them? They say the money where they supposed to pay them as councillor, then they pay them. This thing goes round almost all the local government. I cannot be too sure.
Okay.
But these allegations say, wait till they supposed to pay councillor, they know they pay them. It's something where it go round the local government. So these grudges already did their mind.
Okay, just wait for the time to.
They just wait, but this time it's just right for them. Okay. So these people where they punish us to do, we now get free hand now to operate. Especially
now when we say the House of Assembly say suspended.
So
no, they try to.
Yes, it now give them a leeway.
Okay.
You know, say if person where you want fight, you see say he get power past you. The day where you know they around, you feel do what you want to against them. Okay. So the allegations,
before you come back.
Yeah, the allegations against this local government chairman very weighty, it's too big. One of them is that some of them they say councillors will get furniture allowance. Most of them say they never give them. Say they will get wardrobe.
And that one is impeachable offense.
It's a impeachable offense. Very strong one. They never give them. Some say even their money, their emolument, money where salary, whether not salary, whether it's already paid them. They owe them. Some say 5 months. They never pay them.
But all of this but all of this one, I guess somebody.
I said allegations.
Now they talk so because one man when we say do politics, talk and say if I lie for your head, say you know go fit this thing. So if possible now, the man not their house now. It don't come out. They say okay, make we do this kind of a thing.
So these are our allegations.
Okay.
So based on this, and if I also hear some of them, they say they wrote to the local government chairman to respond to this allegation. They didn't respond.
Okay.
No. And if you don't respond, it means say you concede, say you do the thing now. So the next thing is that maybe they give them, maybe in several days a lot of talk. Within the several days, you no come. You no even give reason why we no come. Then we proceed with the impeachment of the local government chairman. So that is the reason why they are impeaching them. And may I tell you another thing when my brother they talk so about the issue of.
You will tell me that thing after a bit we just take a very short break, make we drink small water. But we'll clear our way for this matter when we say we talk about the name of the program now. UDUOTA, they reach it from the independent television for anywhere we see the watchers for across the globe. We'll take a very short break now. When we come back, we'll go open the lines so you go call in, make you find out, maybe tell us how you feel for this matter, or make you ask questions the when we say you want to ask. These gentlemen when we say they're here, and when we say they are head, well, a sharp word for matter when we say a consigned law. Don't go anywhere, stay with us. Welcome back. The program we say they watch now. We say they call UDUOTA the heart of the matter. And we look the matter when we say concern the katakata or what they call crisis. Then when we say they for local government council across those states, 18 of them. And we say we they look. So I will get 2 of my brass here. When we say the day here, saying Sonny Dauda, welcome again.
Thank you very much.
Sonny Daudu, welcome again.
Thank you very much.
And Patrick Folorenshaw, Awo Sage, welcome again to the program. If you want to be part of the program, you know how to just call us for the number one we will display on air 080 77 77 0300. 080-7777-0300. You sign for on air, so just call us. You don't become part of the program with that. So you go tell us how they feel about this matter when they say they look for grants. So people they talk now. Make I start from you, my brother. Okay, again where you be say we stop your
yes.
Maybe not be like say I'll not let you continue.
Me I quickly finish that place.
Because before you even call the number finish, calls already come in.
Me I quickly just finish that place. You see, the issue of waiting go court, where they say court say the state say me they go back to office, not be waiting court talk. Court say the suspension where House of Assembly suspended, may Edo State government no act on her. Okay. Maybe the governor may no act on her. The House of Assembly was not a party. So me the suspension remain from the House of Assembly. Now state government no go fit act. So state government now...
I don't understand.
So what did go court?
What did they go court according to you now?
Say they suspend them. The court did not validate the suspension.
Okay.
What did the court talk? Say state government no act on that, no act on it.
Okay.
No talk put, just leave them. So state government is a party to that case. House of Assembly is not a party. So as we speak,
state government no talk for the matter.
No, the court also don't talk put, so they no go fit talk. That's why whatever is happening now, you no concern the state government. Now House of Assembly and them.
Okay, before we say we will take the other one, we'll take this call. Hello, somebody they like, hello, good evening. Good evening. I better reduce the volume on television, I beg you. Hello? Would they hear you? Hello, good evening. Okay, you see the person still there, I don't know why they talk. Anyway, when you're ready, you call us.
As it stands today, that House of Assembly suspension has not been challenged by anybody.
So which one the court say me they know?
He said state government. Because you know say when they suspend, the House of Assembly will now send out to all relevant authorities.
Okay.
Maybe they will say to governor, maybe they will say to head of service, maybe they will say to Accountant General of the state, maybe they will say to police. So there they will say all those things, see what we talk. Now, they now tell government, say, even though they bring that paper, no obey am, no act on am.
Okay.
So what is going on now, now state government and the local government chairman,
okay.
That House of Assembly suspension, still remain valid.
Somebody they like, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, what is your name? Where they call us from?
This from Rajayi.
Where are they from? Call us.
I'm from Ogata.
Okay. Okay, more here, what did they talk?
I want to ask the two gentlemen there. If this council chairman from APC, with the state government or the state governor, which one there?
Okay. Now
we should be there because
they are from a different political party.
That's my thing. Because they are from different political party.
Okay. No wahala, because if you look at the right time for granted, the question be say yes, I won't ask now be that one. But he already asked. He say this one I be like what they call a vendetta, political vendetta. Because you know the same political party now be say they make do all this one to them. Because these people want to say they vote into office. You know understand? And because they know they for the same political party with the government when they for center, in this case now be the state government, now make them say they after them.
That's not true.
That's not what my brother talk.
No, it's a make you ask us. The truth is that it not be him.
Okay.
If you not do anything wrong, nobody go find you.
Okay.
Let's assume say that they the same political party. You can't they do bad. You can't they do something where constitution not permit you to do. You abuse your office. They not will protect you. They can't.
Okay.
Anybody can petition.
Okay.
So that's basically what it is. May not look like say.
See this person. May see your petition. Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, what is your name? Where do you call us from?
My name is Gospel CC from Ego.
Okay, Gospel CC from Ego.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I think the major issue here is political party.
Okay.
Because people, when you are not on the ruling party, I think they try to take advantage of a lot of this. Because when the Constitution says that we have federal, state, and local government. So we always have issue that state governments will always want to take in charge of local government. I think that's an issue, mostly because no opposition party will accept the ruling party to take overseas of them. So my point is that just because they are opposition party.
Okay, you see now the same rope when we say
that will correct that impression.
No, see the first person to call Ajayi Talker, it's not because
let me correct the impression.
This one, what do they call her? Gospel Isiri from Ego. The same thing I be
saying. I correct them.
Maybe the next call be say
they will hear me. They will hear me now. Me I correct them.
No, but you talk at the way you know. Let me say.
Now, sir, take you. He said that because of say that this not be different, not be the same political party. I want to ask him when the local government chairman carry Obaseki go court say may no touch their money, may no remove their money, may no do anything, which those state high court give judgment. They were not the same political party. This chairman now, they don't first carry Obaseki.
Obaseki, the governor.
The governor,
the
sorry.
Local government chairman.
The local government chairman. The local government chairman.
Okay,
they don't first carry
the former governor.
Governor go court.
Okay.
So may no touch their money, may no tamper with her. That one where those state high court give. Who carry the go court? Who they carry go court? Not is it not the same party that carry the governor to court? So it's not an issue of party.
Okay.
It's issue of democracy. It's issue of accountability.
Okay.
It's issue of responsive government.
Okay,
and governance to the people.
Hello, reduce the volume of television, I beg you. Or waka come on the way of television day.
I don't come up for there.
Okay, well, they hear you now. What is your name?
My name is John Jogede.
Oh, John Jogede. Where is it from? Tell us.
I come from Kobahi.
Will they hear you? You see waka near your television, waka come on there, I beg.
The issue of autonomy for local government is very clear.
Okay.
The constitution says there are 3 tiers of government.
Okay.
The first one is federal. The second one is state.
Yeah, okay.
And the third one
is local government. Yeah.
Why they took federal took the state to court on financial position because administration was clear because local government are in charge of administration of local government.
Okay.
The one that was having the problem was the financial autonomy, which was made to the state government that was not released to the chairman of local government. That was the issue.
Okay.
That is why they went to court, and the court said yes, they have that financial autonomy. So the issue of coming to say there is no administrative autonomy is I don't know what they want to turn this country to.
What you did they say they want to say the concern financial or administrative autonomy.
What they are now saying that administrative control has not been defined in the court. When you say you have 3 tiers of government, federal, state, local government, and local government before this Supreme Court on financial autonomy, we are giving control over the administration. They rule the local.
You see what that my brother talk now? You see for the 3 tiers of government, federal government, they get their own autonomy, administrative autonomy, like they control themselves administratively. The same thing happened to state government, and the same thing happened to local government. They get all of them get them before. So this one, we say they break up now. It's not from back door. Now we say they bring out the constitution. You're not supposed to hold water.
No, you know, I not talk like that. The constitution is very clear about certain things. Not be as you they look.
You know, just now ready for the CM. Now
not be
clear to you.
Not be where not be where.
I say cow now very big.
No
elephant a very big one. Now where you did now you could describe.
No, not be that one. This one they very clear.
Okay.
It is very, very clear. Local governments never they on their own absolutely.
Okay.
The way we they look at. Now because it be like say they confuse us.
Okay.
We agree, say see what it's supposed to be. But look the paper where. So if these lacunas where they inside, if they inside the constitution, if they're not clear, it will still stand for there. Until they talk put, there's nothing anybody can do.
You're all not even good to say now, continue to test the law.
Yes, that's what I said. And if it lingers like this, the Supreme Court will have to come up to give a position on whatever. And any of them should go, although the Supreme Court will not go on its own. They will also go back to court.
Okay, I'm going to take this call before I come meet my brother. Hello, good evening. Hello? We know so you did that. Okay, if you don't come out, you go. If you call us, we go talk once we answer you. So we'll go hear what you say you talk. We don't answer you again. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, what is your name? Where do you call us from? Harris, turn down the television, the volume of the television. Where are you different colors? Ego. I beg, now help us with the television now. Keep the volume or I come out there so that it's not going to disturb. The matter of vigilante we discuss now. Maybe we'll talk about vigilante. We could talk about that. But the last time I check, the government don't tell them they go back to work. The last time I check, I don't know. But now waiting, say I gotta be that one. So make it say they go back to work for vigilante. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, I reduce the volume of television. I beg you.
Yes, I've done that already. Good evening. My name is Ace calling from Oredo.
Ace from Oredo.
Yes, sir.
Will they hear you?
I think my contribution to this is that the public is forgetting that, because I've been hearing the different call from the public, they're forgetting one thing, that if we talk about autonomy, they've given them autonomy. I'm not APC, I'm not PDP. But now, if they not give them autonomy, does it not mean that nobody will checkmate the local government if they are not using the form of what suppose they used to have?
The legislative arm go check them. The legislative arm go check them.
House of Assembly no longer have right over local government. Have they suspended that right? That House of Assembly has no right over local government.
I don't know of that one.
These are the things we have to check, because if the force is being they misuse the form, I think the governor, before governor suspended these people, I think information came, they checked everything, and they discovered that this, because the grassroots government is what the local government is representing. Like, I can go and meet councillor, if I can't be able to see a chairman in my local government, I can see the councillor in my local government, and from there to start from. Now, they gave them autonomy because they want the grassroots to be enjoying from the government. Now, if they give them autonomy and this same person are misusing the form, are we now saying that does governor or the state does not have right to question these people? I just want to contribute that. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, now maybe they ask questions. Bila say, I want to take my work from my hand. Now they ask questions now. Bila say, my work don't they threatened and the rest. You know go verse. You know say once called the call, we like to take their well, so but they hear different people, their views for this kind of matter when BCSA will bring come out. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, what will be your name? Where you call us from?
My name is Mr. Oba from Ewu, but now Benin.
Okay. Oba from Ewu.
Yeah, Oba.
Okay, Ogba. From Ewu, but now in Benin.
Yes.
Okay, we'll deal with you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I want to ask a question.
Carry on.
It's a local government chairman. Now all of them are one party that day.
Yes, they did for PDP.
That is why things fall apart.
Oh.
It is not good for a party to become one. They are supposed to be an opposition.
Okay.
Supposing opposition did this a local government, some of them they forgo report themselves. Not the time given to them was enough for them to come and explain how do you spend this your money.
But some opposition don't they now, some of the local government chairmen don't decamp. They say they did decamp.
That guy supposed to be they don't want to make a better.
Okay.
Federal government is the father. West state government is the son. Local government is the grandson. But supposing some of them or they go report whatever they spend or whether they don't spend them, they go and obey the governor. Governor for know what to do or what to tell them. Disobedience in the civil servant is not good. Apart from say they have their own personal autonomy. Okay. Supposing they go there, maybe they for tell them, say, see what you're supposed to do, see what you're not supposed to do. You report an issue to him, then you know what to do.
Okay, thank you very much. You see, now this is political vendetta or different political parties. Now everybody see they draw. Because whether we like them or not, majority now they win a situation. But let's not be so be for law. Minority favor win if we say follow the law. But not be say they try to let me.
You see, the law declare. And if you look at one of them, what he talk, see all these 200 people they talk, until you go set aside the local government law enacted by the House of Assembly. What the House of Assembly do is right. 2, until you go amend Section 7, may remove the control of local government from the House of the state government through the House of Assembly. It will remain so. You see, when the Constitution gave, say, 3 tiers of government, it's not the doubt. But he did not place the federal government under the control of anybody. He didn't place the state government. Allow me to finish first. He did not place state government under the control of anybody. But he placed local government under the control of state. Now that one they go first go remove. So that it will remain, say, you know the other any body, you know the other any state, you know the other any federal government. It's on its own.
Okay, well,
until that is achieved.
See, if you think they bother me, somebody talking on the other, they say even local government say the Constitution never recognize local government. How correct is that, my brother Patrick Awo?
Say
local government, the Constitution never recognize local government.
It all depends on how the person they look at.
Not be with the talk, so now depends how you
what I'm trying to say is that it seems like that.
Okay.
When you are saying their control is within the purview of the state, that's what is that's the interpretation where you will give.
Okay.
The control is within the purview of the state. So in all lenses, I think that's how it is. That's what's causing this whole matter where they drag up.
Somebody did like maybe you go fix settle the wala for us. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Oga.
I greet you. What will be your name? The callers from now the first female voice when we hear be this.
Yes. My name is Emike. I come from Ikoba.
What is it be your name?
Emike.
Emike.
Yes.
What do you define? You go see Amo.
Amen. So, what thing I want to talk for this matter when they grant. So, first of all, I want advice. In case you want to bring people come studio, they try as much as possible. Maybe they bring a neutral person, people they come studio, maybe they come discuss matter of this nature. Like that man when they center. We know that man a party man, so you don't expect anything less.
Okay.
From us.
You know a political party, yeah?
Yeah, the one when they center, now party man, APC man.
Okay.
So you don't expect us to talk anything less.
Okay. What of the one wear white?
And I know Mr. Awo, but I be surprised for Mr. Awo this evening. I know that Mr. Awo na person when he say I don't follow on ITV. They always they talk well, but I not gonna know this.
So you not talk well today, have you?
You not talk well.
Okay. No, you not talk well, but you not talk what you want here.
You don't talk what I want here.
I
don't understand.
Okay.
So that this matter when they do, all of us, we know the truth. We know what they go on.
So tell us the truth, I beg.
Yes, the truth is that they want to remove all these people when they get because they are not APC, because they're the PDP.
Okay.
When we don't talk the autonomy, autonomy don't say, when we say, you don't already give these people, say, make them they do their own thing. And if they are not doing well, legislature, they get there, or the legislative arm, they get there, make them say, talk to them. But what we will see for those states now, I know that this one, when they do so now, bad precedent, that they said. Because one day, another party could come up, and this thing again, it could repeat itself.
Okay.
It's not good for our democracy, I beg.
Thank
so
you.
We say this matter, make them let those people go back to work. Thank you.
Okay, Madam Emike, thank you so much. And I like the advice when NBC you give us. And now NBC what they try to do, we'll call people that won't be like, say, they go give us balance. What would they call them? They have to say, what will be your position for this matter? Tell us, see their position for the matter. Say, come to a studio, make we hear your position for the matter. So we know they look and say which political party they are, which political party. One doesn't know they say your own position different from the other person's own. We're gonna come argue and when we say we go see. But to come like some of the things that when we say when they talk here, they talk that they agree the way it be because of say their fee, say now so the law, now so the law talk. We'll take this one the last call before we say we'll continue our discussion for here. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening. No.
Good evening. Everywhere. Good afternoon, yes, sir.
I agree to. I beg, reduce the volume of television, I beg. Or what can come on there?
You see, as I heard it, so I congratulate the God that created heaven and earth.
Okay.
You see, as I heard it, so when they good for heaven and good for earth, so Almighty God when creator, he said, no, call life, no, call enjoy. Now, we call the creator for ourselves.
Okay.
You see, okay, now, may I short the matter. So now let me congratulate our government for Penworo because of what we do. When we say our state called Get East, when we say we do happy new year, Christmas, there was no Boza.
Okay, I better bring the matter to this one. Now run to this one because time maybe our friend again.
Hello, sir.
I said bring the matter to the one when we say the talk now because time maybe our friend again.
Okay, sir. So now what we are talking about, you can see everything. Not say if cook not good for her, they will ask her for say, how you take cook am. So now that's our papa. So anything, we will support am, we will say respect the sister. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. You see, my cough don't they come because of say yes, it's okay when we say yes, they here. But thank God say, what are they from my when we say yes, I go always drink. Time not be our friend again. So if we sum up this discussion for the next 30 seconds, what will you sum up?
Well, the current political situation in Edo, with respect to the local government issue, is not unusual in democracy. It's something that can be expected. But the message which is said now is that any position where you do, they transparent.
Okay.
Govern the people well. Let what they say may reach the people. Let me they reach them. If they reach them, as they talk, now even the local government people, they happy. Say these people, they know they see them. There's some people are like, say some of them know they even they go office. Say now where allocation come, where they want share them, and they go office.
Okay, no wahala. My brother,
Well, we must continue to respect the rules of law, and that is essentially what will help us.
Okay.
If anybody they are aggrieved, no matter the situation, may we still get hope and believe, say, with the courts, you can always get justice.
Thank you very much. My brother, my people for us, we thank all of us for we did for the program since for the beginning. When it started by 4:30 around this time, we thank you so much. And people, they won't be say they're calling. Ajayi for Igboba Zuwa, Gospel is serious from Ego, John Jegede from Kubaoka, Harrison for Ego, Ehis from Moredo, Ogba for Ewu, but 9 Bini. We thank you. Emike, we thank you so much for Kubaoka. Emike, what you define? I tell you, say, you go say, my brother, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sonny Daodu, doctor, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Patrick Folorenshaw, I will say, thank you so much. My name now, Thomas Ado. Don't forget to, before I come out, I go let us know, say, the song, When Deaf Man Hear Before He Deaf, now they sing, now they say our latest song. Now, good evening.